We do quarterly audits with our physician office billing. I send a request to our decision support to look at all those the billing codes for the offices, and more so for that neuropsych testing. We give them the code. They spit back a report. Hey, this is how many times this code was used. It gives it by physician, and then it also tells me what those reimbursement rates are and how those are going per physician. We review the codes yearly to make sure that we're using the appropriate codes. As you know, ICD-10 codes change. We'll always be looking at that. When we onboard a new physician in our sports medicine practice, we spend some significant time with the concussion management side of things so that everybody's doing it the same. Once again, we'll get them credentialed through Impact as a CIC, and then we will spend some time going over with them, and they will shadow some other physicians in how they're billing and coding those visits for the office visit, from the neuropsych testing to actual language that those physicians are using, along with the appropriate diagnosis codes for that. We do an annual athlete training review of concussion protocols and standards to make sure that our athlete trainers are using the appropriate protocols and pushing those athletes into our clinics